guys!
We're back with another video! And today we're going to be doing a slime video. Slimy!
Guys, guess what characters we're going to be using today?
Adrian, would you like to show them?
Guess what? We're going to be using Clown McBecky.
He's the new super villain that just came out.
And guess what? Guess another one. It's a cartoon character
You
that,
probably know him.
and he's dope. For real. SpongeBob SquarePants as a policeman. Yep.
And I have to get this special effect.
I'd like to produce them.
And now these are my things that I'm going to do. First of all,
Wait. Triple.
slide. Wait, what? Slide?
Go, guys.
Wait, well, my themes. Her turn. I got a new little theme. It's a little kitty pie. And it's really squishy.
Who cares about that? Just go on to the slime.
Adrian, you just gave it away the mystery. Don't touch it because it's really sticky. Really sticky. No, just watch it here. And, okay, Adrian already gave special effects away. Slime.
We got the other slime that came yesterday.
And it's really pokey. You guys want to see it?
So I feel it.
You guys want to feel it? You guys
Let's
see?
see.
Okay, yeah. So we're going to be putting those characters in here. But first, we got to wash them.
And spell buddy.
We got to wash the characters. Because
Okay,
they're
guys.
not going to be dirty and going in my slime and putting dust in there.
Okay, guys.
So, no, deposit. So, we'll be right back. And a flash to you, but in like about 20 seconds to us in the bathroom.
No, how about 1 second? Ready, go.
We're back, you guys. Was that a second? Was it too long? I'm kidding.
Okay, so I'm gonna be washing them. So,
And I'll just
you guys see?
let's show you guys. You guys see?
Can you see? Wait, guys, can you see? Can you see?
They can see, they can see, they can
They
see.
can see. What it is? If you guys want to see the water, let me see.
Move your hand. This hand.
Boop,
No, Adrian, don't be wasting water. Oh, let me just clean you guys off.
Sorry, guys.
There you guys go.
But SpongeBob is not clean.
Take off that little thingy.
I can't.
Okay, I'm gonna try to take off the little thingy. You guys stay right there. Don't go anywhere, okay?
Don't go in the water, it'll be sticky head. You guys want to see new SpongeBob? Oopsie daisy.
There you go.
Want to see new SpongeBob?
Okay. I just start drying them. Start drying them, Adrian. Right, dry my hand.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Okay.
You
You're just drying them. No.
Yeah. Okay. I need to start one by one. You guys can
This
start.
needs more drying. I'll just help Adrian dry them.
No, guys, I can do it by myself.
See, you can't even do it by yourself. Okay, SpongeBob was
Guys, actually, you want to see the real? It's actually a real clown with no hair.
Okay, well, we'll be right back in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, guys, we're back here.
So, let's get slimy. So, let's start with him.
Ew, what is that thing inside?
It's just little confetti I have in there.
Actually, you know what?
Stepping on the slime. Let's put his head here.
Wait, I
Dun,
wanna do
dun,
the head.
dun, dun.
Ew!
Oh, he just came out right away. Try spinning. He don't fit! Let me see.
Let's try.
Oh!
Yeah.
Take him out, take him out, take him out.
Ew!
Ew, you guys, he's stuck in there for real. Oh, you guys, look at that. Ew.
He's coming in for a flight.
Adrian, get him out, fast. So now put this in. First before, no, Adrian, what you doing? Get him! Ah! Slime fail. No, Adrian, stop it. Don't do that. Oh, this is a bad idea.
Worry.
Stop. Stay right there, okay, guys?
Don't worry.
Stay right here, you guys. We're having a slime fail.
A slime party here.
No, give me a sec. Okay, guys, we had a really big fail. Oh, Adrian, get the gummy bear away.
Gummy bear, gummy bear, gummy
We had a
bear.
big fail right now.
Yeah.
And we're just cleaning up afterwards.
Guys, second term.
Ignore Adrian. Bring me another napkin. Yeah, we had a really big fail.
Another
This time
napkin.
right here, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
But like always, a human can touch it.
Guys, guess what I just forgot?
Dun, 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 dun,
Oh,
dun,
we could've
dun,
put him
dun,
in
dun,
there.
dun, dun. I could have put him in there instead.
Wait.
Okay. I'm gonna put him in there.
And countdown.
Oh, okay, count for
Countdown, please.
He's in.
Dun, dun,
You guys, he's
dun.
stinking. He's stinking in there.
Ew.
Oh, no.
Guys, replay. Oh! Replay. Oh!
You guys, he's going down in there. Can you guys see him?
Oh my gosh.
Should we help him?
Yeah, I think we should.
We're getting him, you guys. We found him. Operation saved.
Yay!
And he's all slimy too.
As you guys don't
Well,
know.
he is part of the grocery gang, so
Yeah.
he is
If you guys
disgusting.
want to go buy grocery games, just on Google.
You guys, by the way, there's also grocery game little collective packets at 99-cent store. Okay,
Yeah.
So-
And guess what? If you want a lot of them,
go to
just over-
TJ Maxx.
Oh no, not just TJ Maxx there. You can go on grocerygang.com and then it will show you all the grocery gangs they have and you can buy them. And guess what? There's over more than 100 of them.
Yep, that is correct.
Crazy, right? So remember, if you want to go to buy grocery gangs like this one, just go to grocerygang.com now and buy them. And thank you us and subscribe to our channel.
Woohoo! Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is it for our day today.
No, it's so short. Like literally, it's so short.
It's only 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Well, actually, a little bit over that, but
Yeah.
that was a fun moment. Bye, guys. We love you.
And remember, today we're gonna do another video right now.
Bye.
Bye.